Okay, so it is the 27th of April. We are in the afternoon in the UK. It's just gone 3 p.m. I've been trading some of today. I logged in this morning and I saw lots and lots and lots of buy signals here. Some from before I got up, so we were looking positive on the day. It looked like we're on an upswing. This is a change of behaviour because if we have a look at the hourly, we can see we've been coming down all week. It's a massive push lower, exhaustion. We regained it pretty quickly. We've come down and we've tested. This is yesterday. We've come down and we've tested the value area low a couple of times, value area high, and then we've started to go positive. The supply has been drying up, demand's been kicking in. We've gone cumulative delta positive. I've had a couple of buy signals. This is the 15-minute. You can see the drop down and then back up. What I wanted to show you were some of the trades I had from earlier, which were I got stopped out basically. So I traded that tweezer there, so I could see we were above the MAs. We went down past the MAs, back above the MAs, above the tweezer. I traded it, stopped below the tweezer, got stopped out. Okay, we put in another tweezer. Again, I'm biased long because of this today, and this, that's why I'm biased long. So I traded that, and then stopped below the tweezer, got stopped out. Okay, so that's two stops. Down here, up, back above the MAs again. Stop below the tweezer, is that right? I can't remember what that was, to be honest. Yeah, it's a small trade. Yep, it's a trade there. So I went long again, and I played this at the time. The value area high was here, so the value area high at that point was right there. So I traded from there to there, and I came out at the value area high, which is fine. I then traded here, so we had this massive push up, and then I went long here because it looked like it was going to break out of this range. We then got the what did we get? We got a print earlier on today, which was the jobless claims, and the jobless claims were dollar strong, so we went down and I got stopped out. Right, but if you have a look on the hourly, when we pushed down, we still looked strong. We still look strong here, even though this has gone cumulative delta negative. We still look strong. I couldn't see any supply, so we pushed back up. We pushed back up. Where are we? Wrong? Is that wrong? Is it this one? Yeah, we started to push back up here. Now I saw it holding here, and you can't see it, but right here underneath this stop is a tweezer. So I went long. Right here. And I'm still in the trade, basically. And we've had the open, which pushed us up and down. And then we've had pending home sales, which pushed us up and down. And I've just kept my stop below that tweezer. If I get stopped out, I don't care. Where have I put my target? Well, I think, and you can't see it on this because I haven't got it on here, but you've just had the day one VWAP cross over the 5-day VWAP. Okay, so we are progressing north. We've also gone green on the MAs. There's absolutely zero supply coming in. So I've put my target is the day 3 high, which is this high here. Now you may think that's a long way away. However, we are progressing. I'm getting loads of buy signals on the hourly though, and I had one earlier and I didn't trade it, and I went in after. So you've got lots and lots and lots of buy signals here. So we're definitely going in the right direction. Everything's green across the board. So no supply apart from there, and that pushed down. That was the open, and we pushed right down. But since then, nothing, and we're going north. So yesterday was a fucking awful day to trade sideways. Look at this shit all over the fucking shop. Yeah, there was nothing there yesterday, and today looks like we're putting in a trend day. I'm currently plus fucking hell, I don't know, 70 odd points, 70 times 4, 240 ticks. So yeah, that's all right. And my target is here. We're on the day 3 high, and I'll just keep an eye on it. And if we start coming down again, I would expect it to bounce off the top of that support. That support. We're getting buy signals on there as well. So I mean, this is one of the good reasons to trade the NQ, because you'll go sideways and all of a sudden you get a bit of volatility and you'll bounce one way. Now earlier, I got stopped out, 2-3 times, but you've just got to keep going, and keep going until it goes to target, and then that pays for the whole day, the whole week, or whatever. So that's a pretty good trade at the moment. I'm not moving my stop up. I'm not touching it. We'll see if we get to target. We'll have a look a little bit. Look, so we're in the top of this range here. See this candle here? We're in and around there. So if we break that high, then that's your target, and that's where I am, day 3 high. So yeah, we're just gonna play the waiting game now and see where we get to. I would expect us to get a pullback off of this huge candle here. There'll be some pullback at some point to somewhere. And then we'll just play it by ear, really. But I think we've been looking to recover some of this loss. So look at this massive loss across the week, all the way down, and then you've had Meta come in yesterday with some really, really good results, and that's what's pushing us up, and that might drag some of the other equities up as well. We had some dollar strong earlier with initial jobless claims, but then we had pending home sales which were dollar weak. So if we were going in one direction, if we balanced it out, we priced it in, are we just gonna reverse and go north? Well, we'll wait and see. It's nice that we're above yesterday's value area. We're actually above the day before's value area. Not sure if we've broken above the day before that's value area. I mean, if we do break above these levels, then that gives us another target as the next level up. But definitely, I can see us getting up to somewhere around here if we carry on. But who knows, eh? Who knows? We play it by ear. I'm going to put the video on pause for a second, and I will come back in if anything changes, or I move my stop, or I decide to take profit. Okay, cheers. Sorry, just restarting the video. When I talk about dollar negative and dollar positive, if you didn't realise, dollar negative is stronger for equities, and dollar positive is weaker for equities, and that's because external investment or international investment into the States gets a cheaper dollar, and they can put more money, they can invest more in equities. That's pretty much, I mean, that's kind of layman's, but dollar strong push equities down, dollar weak push equities up. Same with oil as well. If oil goes up, equities go down, because manufacturing costs and delivery costs go up, and the same vice versa. So if oil goes down, that makes everything cheaper to make and cheaper to deliver. So keep an eye on that as well. Okay, I'm just going to go on pause. Okay, so still monitoring the situation. We're still long. We're getting a bit of a pullback now. So that's the 15-minute. This is back on the 3-minute. So we'll see where the pullback takes us. whether we go north off of the pullback. We're having trouble getting past this area here. So this was the value area high from 1, 2, 3 days ago. So it's this area here, and then we have actually tagged that, but you'll probably get like you do. So our value area there is higher than that one, so we might get some consolidation and retest of this before we have another run at this. But I mean, I'm happy to leave it going. I'm not even going to move my stop at the minute, because I'd like to see it move sideways and accept a level before moving my stop up. Okay, I'm going to go on to pause again, and I'll let you know what happens in a bit. Okay, restarting the video. Right, move my stop up. Go underneath that thrust candle, just like that. Let's have a quick look. Where are we? Yeah, underneath there. Looks like we're pushing up again. We've got another buy signal here. If we break this high, which we've just done, okay, I was thinking about taking profit, but we've just broken that high. We're heading up at least the top of this candle here. That's our range. If we break over that, so we need to keep an eye on, oh, we see that there again, we just the top of this box here. We've got the M-box chart on, and it gives me the range block at the top. Do we break the high? Nope, not yet. No, it didn't break it. Are we going to push up? We're going to keep going. Let's have a look and see what we've got on the 15-minute. Pace of trades on the 3-minute. It's coming right up. And we're still looking positive. The only reason I would bomb out is I'd rather take the profit than wait another 4 or 5 hours for a retrace and a consolidation and a push higher. We've just broken the top of that range now. So now the 3-day high, it will get there. Whether it gets there today or tomorrow, I don't know. I don't like trading overnight. Okay, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I am going to take profit. Right, taking profit. Yeah.
Order filled.
There we go. And that was a biggie. So that was 90 odd points. I'm happy with that. It will carry on, but that's paid for me to take some time off. So there you go. Okay, so that's the trade we got in. Don't know if you remember me talking about this earlier. We got in here because I looked at the hourly bias and it looked like we were going north, and then we've come down quite a few times to test the MAs, and then we carried on. And that's important. So if you get dollar positive news and it pushes down and you still regain ground, or you still recover your ground fairly quickly, which it did numerous times, then I knew we were going north. Put in this tweezer as well here. I could have moved my stop underneath there, but I didn't know about volatility because it's been very volatile today. I mean, the volatility's not been so bad through the morning and into the early afternoon, but then we went a bit crazy after the open. So yeah, I'm happy with that exit. That's a massive trade. Right, if you like that one, like and subscribe. I will do some more. What's tomorrow? Friday. Let's have a look and see what's on the news. Economic news calendar for tomorrow. We have got, oh my god, so we've got personal income, core price index, Michigan consumer, employment cost, core PCE price index. So that might be a bit choppy tomorrow, but there you go. I'll log in the morning and then we'll see what happens. Okay, cheers guys, and I'll speak to you tomorrow.